Many causes of action, including promissory estoppel and fraudulent misrepresentation, require a plaintiff to establish that he reasonably relied on a defendant's promise to his detriment. In Cocchiara v. Lithia Motors Incorporated, the court considered whether a job applicant's reliance on a promise of at-will employment may be deemed unreasonable as a matter of law. For 8 years, Michael Cocchiara worked as a salesperson for Lithia Motors Incorporated. After Cocchiara suffered a heart attack, his doctors recommended that he find a less stressful job with shorter hours. Cocchiara obtained a job offer from the Medford Mail Tribune. Cocchiara told his manager that he planned to accept Medford's offer. But the manager told Cocchiara to decline the offer because Cocchiara was a valuable member of Lithia, and Lithia had an opening for a suitable job in its corporate office. The manager called the corporate office on Cocchiara's behalf and told Cocchiara that Lithia had given him the corporate position. The manager advised Cocchiara that he simply needed to attend a meeting the next day to accept the position. Cocchiara then declined Medford's job offer. The following day, Cocchiara met with a Lithia representative who told Cocchiara that the meeting was an interview and that he was among several applicants for the corporate position. Lithia ultimately didn't choose Cocchiara for the corporate position, and Cocchiara obtained a lower-paying position with Lithia. Cocchiara sued Lithia for promissory estoppel and fraudulent misrepresentation, seeking damages for the income he would have earned in the corporate position. The trial court granted Lithia's motion for summary judgment, finding that Cocchiara's reliance on the manager's promise was unreasonable because the corporate position was for at-will employment from which Cocchiara could have been fired at any time. The Oregon Court of Appeals affirmed, holding that, as a matter of law, an applicant may not reasonably rely on a promise of at-will employment in a promissory estoppel or fraudulent misrepresentation action. Cocchiara appealed to the Oregon Supreme Court.